In primetime news this evening, they didn't have to die. Prime Minister in tears at National Day of Prayer. Protect yourselves. Government urges personal responsibility, insisting that face-to-face classes must go on. And Finance Ministry contradicts Information Ministry on details of surcharge against education officials.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we are asking, with talk about a cabinet reshuffle, do you think Dr. Christopher Tufton should continue to manage the health portfolio? Give reasons for your answer. And you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.